Looking to refresh your baby's lounger without buying a whole new one? The Consi 2-pack baby lounger covers offer a simple, stylish solution. Designed to fit most baby loungers, these covers bring softness and breathability right where your little one needs it most. What sets these covers apart is their stretchy, skin-friendly fabric. Made from polyester, they feel gentle against delicate skin while allowing air to flow freely. Even after multiple washes, the colors stay vibrant and the fabric remains soft, so your baby stays comfortable day after day. Measuring 33 by 21. 6 inches, these covers fit snugly thanks to their smart envelope closure. This design makes swapping covers quick and hassle-free, so you can keep your baby's lounger clean and fresh with minimal effort. No fumbling or loose edges, just a perfect fit every time. Cleaning is a breeze since these covers are machine washable and built to last. They protect your lounger from spills and wear, extending its life and saving you money in the long run. Plus, the fabric keeps its shape and softness wash after wash, making it a reliable everyday essential. Beyond functionality, the subtle floral patterns in soft pink tones add a charming touch to your nursery. These covers don't just protect, they enhance the look of your baby's favorite spot, making it cozier and more inviting for naps or playtime. If you're shopping for a thoughtful baby shower gift or something practical for new parents, this 2-pack is a solid choice. It combines comfort, style, and convenience in one package, helping parents keep their baby's space fresh without extra fuss. Worth a look if you want an easy way to keep your baby's lounger looking and feeling like new. The Consi Baby Lounger covers deliver on softness, durability, and fit, all backed by a trusted brand known for quality infant products. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your baby's comfort with covers that are as practical as they are pretty. These covers are a small change that makes a big difference in daily life, protecting your investment and keeping your baby happy.